In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table smaller in Google Docs. This may seem like a simple task, but resizing tables in Google Docs can really enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your document, making it much easier to present information neatly and efficiently. Let's begin by looking at the table you already have set up in your document. Don't worry about its current size, as we will be adjusting it to meet your specific needs and preferences. Our primary goal here is to ensure your table not only fits nicely within your document, but also improves overall readability and accessibility. First, you need to highlight the table or the specific cells that you want to resize. Doing this step ensures that any modifications you make will apply only to the designated area of your table, giving you full control over which parts get resized. Once your desired section is highlighted, think about how you would shrink or enlarge text. It's a similar concept when adjusting your table. You're going to use the option to decrease font size, which helps in reducing the overall height of your table. Simply click on the Decrease Font Size icon, normally found in your toolbar. This action effectively compacts the table height, making everything look more proportional and organized. Next, to address the width of your table, you'll want to adjust the columns. Hover your cursor over the side boundary of the table until you see a double-ended arrow. This indicates you're in the right spot to resize. Click and drag this boundary line to the left to make your table narrower. The trick here is to find a balance that works best for your data and the overall layout of your document. After adjusting the columns to your liking, there's one more step to make everything look polished and even. Right-click anywhere within the table, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Distribute Columns. This option automatically evens out your selected columns, ensuring they're all cut to the same width. Doing so not only enhances the visual uniformity of your table, but also makes it easier to read and interpret the information presented. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully resized your table in Google Docs, achieving a cleaner and more organized look. Remember, playing around with these settings helps you to discover the table dimensions that work best for the content you're presenting. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.